What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Mr. 2600 Racing channel. In today's video, we have recently finished off a street build for one of our customers in Melbourne, Lou. It's a 1984 Mitsubishi GSR Sigma featuring one of our street strip engine combos, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Quick announcement, guys. If any of you are interested in getting yourself one of these t-shirts featuring the Galan on the back, be sure to hit the link in the description below or this link up here and get yours before they all sell out. We only have a limited number left. Now let's get back to the video.